Click cell B8. You will enter the FV function here to calculate the accumulated savings using inputs from cells B5 through B7. To the left of the formula bar, click the Insert Function FX button. The Insert Function dialog box opens. Click the or select a category. Excel displays a list of function categories. Click Financial. Excel displays a list of financial functions in the Select a Function box. Click FV. The FV function is selected. Excel displays a brief description of the function and its syntax. Click OK. The Function Arguments dialog box opens. The first argument you will enter is the interest rate. Click cell B5. You will use the monthly rate in the formula to correspond to other inputs. Press Tab. You will now enter the investment period, also in months. Click cell B6. Press Tab. You will now enter the amount of each monthly savings deposit or investment. Click cell B7. The monthly investment amount is a debit and is entered in the formula as a negative number. All required function arguments are now entered. You will leave the remaining optional arguments blank. Click OK. Excel returns the result of the FV function in the selected cell.